So here we go. It's been a while. Lost my 7-inch last week, so now I'm back to the Bando because it's a little bit closer. So then I have to lose another one. Oh, I should push record. Let's do that. Which is the record button here? I'm also going to fly with the Caddx walnut today. It's a little bit more like the session, but I have to like. It's actually pretty good, like with the walnut. It's so much lighter actually. It's better to fly like this. I mean, it's Ooh, almost crashed. Okay. Actually, it's really good. I mean, it's so much lighter than flying with the Mini, because the Mini is like. It's really heavy. I mean, it flies so much better. So actually, I understand why you should fly with the Session. It actually makes sense.
It looks like shit, but it flies good.
Yeah, but I mean, like, this is actually really good for freestyle, because sometimes I have the problem when I'm flying basically with the GoPro Hero 11 Mini is I have always the feeling that the drone pulls me much more than I want it to pull me. Like, you know what I mean? That it goes in like that. How do you call it? I don't know how to say it. Like if you're going fast in one direction, actually the drone keeps pulling a little longer in that one direction.
Yeah, so you get a much more momentum.
Yes. That's what I was searching for. That word.
Sometimes it's good to have a more momentum, but for the style that I fly, I just do a lot of flippy flops in the same space. So I don't want it. But for example, if you fly Spangal or something, you do need the momentum to go.
Yeah.
If you like throttle punch and go zero throttle and go inverted, you need to like fly at least for 2 or 3 seconds upside down.
Oh, nice. I mean, it feels really good now. I mean, it feels much better to fly this. How much battery do I have? 14.8. Okay, I can still go a little bit. It's actually so weird now when I'm flying this 5-inch that I see the propeller so much, because I'm so used now to like fly the 6-inch with this dead cat and also the 7-inch, and I didn't see the propellers there. Now suddenly when I'm looking at the screen and I see the propellers just actually the whole time, it's weird, but yeah. Okay, let's try something. Hopefully I won't crash. Yeah, of course I did.
Oof.
Okay, wait. I can still.
You wanna reach the dust?
Ah, fuck, which is turtle mode now? Okay, let's try.
Does it work?
No, I'm still at. Ah!
Well, let's go for a trip.
No. Oh, okay. I'm good now. Let's arm. Oh, okay. It's over. We have to go. Oh, fuck.
Well, let's go for a walk then.
Wait 1 second. Maybe it will still go. Okay, I armed, but. Oh. Oh. I'm outside.
His name is John.
What the fuck happened? Okay, let's go down. What the fuck? How did he survive?
Stuck the landing.
Damn.
God damn. Dirty as hell.
But I mean, he is okay.
Yeah. Well.
Well, the thing is, I mean, like I was like doing in turtle mode, and suddenly I was like this, like upwards, and I was pushing throttle, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. And what I think was that one of the motors was probably jammed with all the dust.
Yeah.
And suddenly I
You
pushed the
blew it
throttle
out.
up, and he went like up in the air, like out of nothing. Oh damn. Okay, cool. So we saved the trip. No, it's.
Well, let's go back straight inside. Drops are more punchy than I thought. My batteries are gonna die immediately. Oh, not too bad. Damn!
Is it different? Like, is it a different feel?
Yeah, but the batteries suck ass.
Really? Which one is it? Is it that one?
It's another one, but
Okay.
I'm just flying around at 3.8 volts instantly.
What the hell is wrong with those batteries?
They suck ass. I bet it before. What the hell?
Dude is going hard inside.
There is just water dripping from the floor over here.
Really?
Yeah, I just flew like through the.
Where?
Water. Near where the swing was.
Oh, okay.
There's
It's like from the roof, you mean?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay.
What the hell? Okay, I don't want. Oh, it looks like it's raining actually.
Inside here is no. Outside there is not raining. I didn't notice when I was inside.
It's just falling to the to this floor, the third one. Well, I should avoid that. I bet I will have like one drop of water in the middle of my lens.
Yeah. Probably.
Got. Oh, okay. These props are cool, but not as responsive as I.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I just nearly fucked up all my shit.
Actually, I'm going to fly them, even those that I crashed like today. I'm going to fly them a little bit longer. I think they're a little bit
Okay,
beaten up, but maybe they will fly.
This battery got like, when I dropped the voltage, it's now holding like 3.7 volts, but well, I only drained it like 300 milliamps, so
Okay.
that's pretty bad, but it's holding the voltage now. Oh, god damn. Okay,
Done?
direct impact.
Ooh, are you?
Okay, well.
Turtle motor. Turtle
No,
motor.
no. I saw that my propeller is not spinning. My left prop is fucked.
Okay. You're upstairs, like on the.
Yeah, on the middle floor.
Oh, on the middle floor. Okay, so let's go. Let's get it. So the famous Bando. Hopefully they won't destroy it like really soon, because we still like to go sometimes here. But yeah, let's see.
The best Bando over here.
I'm actually really scared to go up here. I don't know, I really don't like this. I never liked it. Okay, so whew. This is actually where I crashed. At this place and here. Oh damn, this is sketchy. Oh, I have him. Here is the boy. Here is the boy. Wait, don't arm now in my hands, okay? Ooh. Your session is cracked.
That's okay. Does it work?
Yeah, it's still filming. It's still filming. So,
Save it, so it doesn't die.
so I see that session is a little bit cracked. Please don't be cracked.
Well, the motors are kind of fucked.
Jammed because of the iron dust.
Metal dust, yeah. Let's see if the camera is okay. Stiff as plastic in this cold weather. What the fuck? Weak ass motherfucker. Okay. Well, it still records, that's okay.
Yeah. Okay, now.
It's fucking indestructible.
Screen protector.
I don't want to stick this under my nail.
Yeah,
that would suck. Ah! Yeah, fresh new.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh new.
That's what I like.
Well, someone had fun over here.
Okay.
From the extreme wind.
Okay,
Because
probably.
there's like pieces of the roof out here.
Let's see.
It wasn't there before, and probably all these glass wasn't here before. So it's falling apart.
Yeah, I mean, this is really a crazy place. I mean, so much history going on here. It's too bad that actually it's not as flyable as it was before.
Yeah, they stole us out there, and they stole our swing.
Yeah, also, like on the top floor when you go here. 1 second, I'll show you. Right there in the middle. There used to be like a swing, and everyone went there and took pictures and videos from this place, and the swing is gone. Someone took it. So yeah, that sucks. Oh yeah, that's the rain that you were talking about. Cool. But I mean, it's a crazy place. Looks really good.
And the ghost cables are a big problem.
Yeah, you have like, if you can see, lights, I will light it up a little bit because it's dark. Yeah, here you have a lot of those cables, and when you hit them you spin around and it's done. Okay. Also, when I'm flying, I'm always scared to like fly around these holes here, because basically when you fall in one of those, you're going down completely to the bottom of the building, and you can actually get from the bottom, from outside you can get actually inside one of those silos, or how do you call it? It's a silo, right? Or?
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, so you can actually get into it. So I'm always scared like that when my drone would fall there, that I would lose it. But yeah, you can get it out, but it will be a pain in the ass to do so. Here is my car. From there we were always flying. So this place, it's amazing. It's really good. It's nice actually that the top floor is like the most flyable one. So scared to go. I don't know, my knees are always shaking like every single time when I go down here. Damn. Okay.
Well,
Almost down. I mean, like from here it's probably only a broken leg.
I wouldn't want to fall.
Yeah, true. Come on, there's no shot for two. One by one. Ah, I hate it. I never go up here. Never.
It's pretty high.
Yeah, it is.
But
And going up is okay, but going down is always so scary for me. I don't know why. I hate heights. And I'm
doesn't look too bad. Well, it's free.
It's better?
Yeah, but it might be bent.
Okay, that sucks. Okay, so Pop is packing because his drone is done.
Yeah.
He jammed the motor. So basically it was your what? Second battery you can go home?
Yeah, the first one.
Is the first battery?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that's
it's the second
Second one, because,
first
yeah.
flight the battery died.
Yeah, the first battery died, and he went for a second one, and he crashed it, and it's over. So yeah, one of his motors is jammed. Yeah, I mean like it spins, but the problem is that there is like a little.
It's this one, and
Yeah,
it like goes like 270 degrees, but it just gets stuck on like one spot. So it got just bashed into a metal pole, so I didn't expect any better from
Oh
it.
well. Oh well.
At least I have one more.
That's FPV, I guess.
Well, see you next time.
See you guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, we will do some more. And yeah, this is like the first one that we actually did, so let's see how it turns out. See ya. Bye bye.